today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make over $100 every single time for completely free. And this is a brand new strategy. I'm going to make sure that you are able to get to know how to do it. I'm going to show you some payment proof. We're about to find out. I know you guys just want to know how this goes. So make sure that you click on What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up so you can be the first to know and try it out. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how a free platform that we've never talked about before can actually pay you up to $100. You can do this over and over again as many times as you'd like, and I'm going to be walking you through the whole process step by step and in detail. So if you guys want to know how this works and really make sure you do it right, then make sure you pay close attention and watch until the very end. Don't forget, I have a lot of special bonus tips for you guys towards the end of this video, so make sure you don't skip anything, and let's jump right into it. So this is the brand new platform that I'm going to be sharing with you guys today. It's a platform where people are able to sell their designs for hundreds of dollars. Sometimes they're worth $100. Some are worth even more expensive, $500, $1,000, and so on and so forth. Now, people are already making quite a lot of money by selling their designs or logos on here. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you payment proof of how I'm going to be able to use simple designs in just a minute, and by using a free online tool. So you don't need any experience, you don't need any designing skills, you don't need any complicated software, and without investing any money at all. So it's completely free, and I'm going to show you how it works in today's video. So the platform that people are using to sell their designs and earn hundreds of dollars from is called BrandCrowd. Now, this is the website and this is how it works, okay? Making money with this platform is as easy as 1, 2, 3. First, you're going to apply to be able to join. Second, you're going to send in your logos for review. And finally, the third, you're going to get paid for every single logo that is approved. You're just going to leave your design here. You're not going to even have to sell it yourself because BrandCrowd will do that for you. So you can actually earn passive income. And in other words, BrandCrowd is providing you with a passive income option. And the best part is it's all completely free. So all these people list their designs here for sale, and they just upload these designs and set a price for it. For example, this guy is selling his design for $500, and he is just going to leave it there, and then BrandCrowd is going to promote the design for him along with all other designs available. And on the other hand, business owners, entrepreneurs, or anyone that needs a logo or brand designs will come here because they're going to go through all these designs. They're going to choose the one that they love the most, and then they're eventually going to buy it. Now, the minimum that you can sell your designs for is $100, but you can sell it for more than $100. But to get the most amount of sales and get the sales in the most fastest way possible, I do recommend that you set the price for $100, since that is the lowest minimum price. And the best thing is you don't even have to actively do anything. You just upload as many designs as you possibly can, and in that way you can have higher chance of actually earning more passive income. You can make more money while you're sleeping, while you're out with your friends, while you're on vacation, whatever it is you want to do. Whatever you're doing, it's still going to make you passive income every time someone purchases your design from BrandCrowd. And as you can see here, these designs are worth hundreds of dollars, $500, $1,000, $800, and so on and so forth. Now, before I show you proof on how you can actually sell and create these designs in proof in less than a minute, I actually want to show you how you can do it with payment proof. So I'm going to show you the payment proof. But before that, if you guys want to earn over $1,000 right now, in addition to how much you're going to be earning with this strategy, make sure you check our description box down below, because I have a pleasant surprise for you guys there. For the subscribers and the viewers as well, make sure you check our description box down below and be delighted on what you're going to see. Also, why don't you leave a comment down below on where you're from and what you'd rather use to get paid. PayPal, Payoneer, Bitcoin, whatever it is, let me know by commenting down below so I can use it as reference for future videos. Now let's continue. Like I said, I'm going to be showing you how you can do it with payment proof. I want to show you how you can get started with selling these designs. So you're going to go on over to BrandCrowd, which I have told you already. a while ago, and it's going to take you to this page where they're going to explain to you in detail how BrandCrowd works. You're going to see here their frequently asked questions. That is going to give you more background on the selling process and how it actually works. And as soon as you're done reading this, you can just click on join now, so you're going to be able to sign up for completely free. And as soon as you sign up, you're going to proceed to the platform that's going to create those logos for you for completely free. And the platform is actually called Canva.com. Now, I know you guys know about Canva, and Canva is going to help us make hundreds of dollars with BrandCrowd.com. Now, as soon as you come on over to Canva.com, you're going to sign up by clicking this button right here on the top. And remember, they do have pricing plans, but you're not going to have to pay for anything. You're just going to use their free account, and you're still going to be able to make a lot of money with this strategy because it's going to give you logos for completely free. The signing up process is super easy, super quick. As soon as you've signed up, you're going to click on the logo right here, and that's going to take you to this page where you have a lot of different logo templates that you can use. And as you can see, most of these designs look very similar to the ones that we've seen on BrandCrowd. But if you compare these designs which are selling $400 on BrandCrowd with the designs on Canva, I must say they look better, right? Personally. Now the question is, how are we actually going to create these logo designs? It's as simple as this. You're going to first find a perfect template that you like personally. For example, we want to use this one. So all I have to do is click on it, and the best part is it's fully customizable. You can change literally anything and everything that you want. So you can customize everything, and you can play around with the different logos. And that's what I recommend you guys to do, because that's how you're going to be able to learn the best. So for example, my brand name is Money Shark. Next, I can change this icon. I can even change the colors. If I want, I can literally change anything. And if I want to add more elements, then here on the left hand side, I can actually do that. I can select the different elements. I can customize them. I can change colors. I can change shapes. I can change sizes, and so on and so forth. It's that simple. It's that easy. For example, I want to add this one. I'm just going to click on it, and then it's going to load here on the page. And I can also customize the colors. I can literally change anything and everything that I want, as long as the app will let me do so, which Canva actually allows you to do. If you guys are having fun in today's video and loving everything that we're showing you so far, make sure to show your love and support by liking this video, subscribing to our channel, and commenting on absolutely anything. Make sure that you also hit the notification bell so that you're going to be notified when we have a new video posted. And let's keep going then. Now that you already know how this works and how simple it is to create designs using Canva, now we can get on with the bonus tip that I promised you. And the bonus tip that I'm going to be showing you is a real life example of how you're actually going to earn $100 with just one type of work. I'm going to show you how you're going to do it. We're going to be using this design as an example. It's just a very simple one. It's a dog icon, and it says the logo here, the text here, the slogan here. When someone clicks the buy now button here, this person is going to make $100. So I'm going to show you can do the same. Now we will start the counter so I can show you how you're going to do this in a very short amount of time. And you're going to basically do it over and over again. So here in the left hand side, you're going to search dog. Then I'm going to select this template because it looks really similar to that design. And I'm going to change this to logo text here. I'll not change its color anymore because it's already color brown. And I will change the background font to a different color. I will also change the size. I will also change the position, and now I can download it to my computer by clicking the download button right here, and that's it. It's downloaded. It's literally so easy, less than a minute of work, and now I can sell this for $100. As you can see, this one is selling for $100. So you just saw how I did this in real time in less than a minute. This method is super powerful, and you can already see that from what I'm showing you right now. You can create as many designs as you possibly can. You can list them for sales and collect passive income, and you can repeat the same minute process again and again and earn money over and over again. It's super duper easy, super duper great. It's not going to make you rich, but you can maintain it and earn passive income as extra money. And that is pretty much everything. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We've finally hit 60,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And our next goal is 70,000, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you missed anything at all. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.